Ciama cia kiuteti 48 nicio ciahĩtũkirio nĩ wabici ya wandikithia wa ciama kwamũkĩra ciringi Mbirioni 1.4 kuma kũrĩ ministry ya kigina. No kũringana na andiki anene ciama-ini iria irĩ rungu rwa ngwataniro ya Azimio, itirĩ iramũkĩra mbeca ici, ũndũ ũrĩa ũrũgamĩtie mĩhang'o ya ciama ici.
We as Secretary Generals of the qualifying parties have had a meeting with the Registrar of Political Parties. She has confirmed that in fact Treasuries has still refused to disburse the money to the political parties.
When the funding is denied of the political parties, it affects the whole of the governance program in the country and allows one man to run the show.
Mbunge ya 10 nĩyo yahĩtũkirie watho wa gũthukĩra ciama gĩcunjĩ kĩa gĩbũgũ turuma 3 kuma kũrĩ thirikari nene. Mwandiki munene wa kiama kĩa Jubilee Jeremia Kioni akĩmenereria mbunge nĩ kwagarara watho ũyũ.
William is well aware of it. He will tell Kenyans that he is giving us money like he did when he gave that interview in the night and lied that a small party has gone to court. Apparently the small party was UDA. Because it is UDA that is in court.
Hamwe noguo Kioni nĩoritie ministry ya kigina ĩtarĩrie njĩra ĩrĩa yahũthĩrire gũkinyanĩria ciringi Mbirioni 1.4 nĩcio irethukagĩrwo ciama ici, akiuga matigwĩtĩkĩra kigina gĩtararingana na iria ciendekithĩtio kĩwatho.
0.3% of the revenue allocation to political parties by law, and this is by the constitution, should have translated to 6 billion shillings. If the registrar of political party took 5% of it, that would amount to 300 million shillings. Therefore, a remaining amount of 5.7 billion shillings needed to have been availed to the political parties.
Harĩ kigina gĩkĩ, kiama kĩa UDA githukiirwo ciringi Mbirioni 577, kiama kĩa ODM ciringi Mbirioni 308, kiama kĩa Jubilee ciringi Mbirioni 135, na kiama kĩa Wiper ciringi Mbirioni 72.
In rent arrears from June of last year, the last time that money was disbursed to us was in June of last year. Our county chairmen are calling us every day. They are calling the ED, they are calling us. They think we are lying because the president told them on national media that the money was released to the Registrar of Political Parties.
This particular government, more than any other, needs to really be checked. So we really need to be facilitated in order so that we are able to actually serve Kenyans and become the voice of Kenyans, even as... And it is not a favor. No, it is not a favor. It is a right to all Kenyans.
Ona kũhana ũguo, kamĩtĩ ya gũtuithania ndũgamano ciama-ini cia kiuteti nĩ ĩrĩga kũrũgamia mĩhang'o ya kũrekererio gwa kigina gĩkĩ thutha wa kiama kĩa UDA gũtemania rĩendekithia rĩa kuongererwo ciringi Mbirioni 115 makiria, ikinya rĩrĩa mwandiki munene kiama-ini kia ODM Edwin Sifuna augĩte rĩarongoreirie guthatia hinya wa ciama iria irĩ mung'ethaniro.
We are in agreement that we suspect that the ruling party UDA, which went to court to stop this disbursement of resources, has found a way illegally to access this fund to the exclusion of other political parties. Because for them, they are not feeling the pinch or the pressure. They are enjoying some source of funding which we do not know.